Brickmaster. No. Brick, I salute you. Me too. Huh. Strange. Why would Brickmaster's old enemies be saluting him? Well, Claire, I think it's because they realize the error of their ways. They're now realizing the one true purpose of this show. No matter how powerful you are, there will always be someone more powerful than you. Yeah, right. But look at that. The sword. Where did its power go? We are one. We are one. Whoa. Finally, these morons are saying something other than one of us. We are one. We are one. Brickmaster, the defenders may be gone, but maybe we, your former enemies, can take your place. At least till you return, that is. Imagination is superior, fear inferior. Yeah, right, Soundwave. We never really got to see his magic attacks, though. Come on, think of it. Where the hell is Wrecker? I haven't seen him since, what, season 4? Yeah, you're right. Where did he go? It's been a long time since we've seen Wrecker. I'm telling you, we'll see him again. Yeah. But for now, the Fear Titan has met his demise.